Good afternoon. My name is Arita Rains, and I am your son or daughter's teacher of English 4. English 4 is a course where we try to prepare your child for post high school college work, workforce, or either just to go into the marketplace as a viable employee. Some of the things we're working on this year is effective communication in written form and oral form. We currently are working on short stories. In the future, we will be working on things such as a resume. We'll also be working on cover letters, searching out colleges, as well as writing college entrance essays. In my class, most of the supplies have been provided for them. The only thing that I ask that they come with is adequate writing utensils such as highlighters, pencils, pens, and any loose leaf paper that they may need. Also, in my class, I have a no phones policies, so students are not allowed on their phones. However, if they need to utilize their phones, they have the ability to go out, step outside the door, and make phone calls if it's an important phone call or a text or so forth. In my class, the work is broken down into categories. Homework is 10% of their work. They usually get one homework assignment a week. They get it on Monday, it's due on Friday. They also get bell ringers as 10% of their grade. And the bell ringers are sporadically and they're at the beginning of class. The next thing that we also have is the category of classwork, which is 40%. And then we have the assessments or quizzes, which is another 40%, with the total being 100%. I am able to be reached at Raines, RAINES, dot Areta, ARETTA, at Brevard Schools with an S, .org. So it's Raines.Areta at Brevard Schools .org. I am also on planning first period each morning. So you are able to call the school and they will call my class. And I will get back with you within a 24-hour period. I look forward to empowering your child through the use of teaching them the skills they need to get an education. And I really look forward to meeting some of the parents later in the year. My doors are always open. You are always welcome to email me. You can call me and I will get back with you at my earliest convenience. I pray this answers some of your questions and you may have a good day.